Good.
Action?
Action.
Good morning. Okay. The procedure for checking the load of a circuit in alarm is as follows. First thing first, take the red lead out of volts and put it in amps. Next, we'll take a circuit, unhook it, unhook one side of it.
For a Class A?
Huh?
For a Class A or
This is a Class B.
red or black, doesn't matter.
Class A, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
I don't think it'll matter as far as class. What we need to do,
You said take one side off.
one side off, and we're using the meter leads to close the circuit back up.
Okay.
So we're putting one lead on the wire. And I should probably just screw this on here. And we're putting the other lead where we took the wire off.
Unscrew.
Yeah. Now the circuit is closed back up again. So the trouble's gone. Go to DC amps, and it'll show you what it's currently drawing, which is almost nothing. And then we just activate an alarm. Pull station would be a lot easier. I bet there's a pull station up